In this video, I will show you how to uninstall a WordPress application from a website domain in cpanel. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. Next, scroll down and click on the WordPress section under Applications. Now, on the WordPress page, click on My Applications. Here you will see a list of all the domains where WordPress is installed. Now choose the WordPress site that you want to uninstall. On the right side of that site, click on the hamburger menu icon. From the list of options, click on the Uninstall tab. Now you will be taken to a confirmation page. Click on the button to confirm uninstalling the WordPress application. Wait for a few seconds while the process completes. And that's it. This is how you can uninstall a WordPress application from a domain in cpanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.